The idea of a cat constellation is not commonly recognized in modern astronomy. However, there are intriguing ties to mythology and star folklore. For instance, the Lynx constellation, which is named after a wild cat, and various cat-like formations in the heavens that bear resemblance to felines in different cultural traditions. While not officially recognized as constellations, these associations serve to highlight the convergence of popular beliefs and scientific exploration in the realm of astronomy, where creatures like cats have been associated with the mysteries of the celestial sphere.